Hey, what's up, guys? Let me show you how to find sell trades using our trading indicator, right? So the first thing that you're going to look at, guys, you are going to look at the left of the screen. You're going to look at the market scanner and identify a market that you want to trade that is moving down. Okay, so I'm just going to select spot up volatility index. So I'm just going to click on it, and then the chart is just going to magically go over there. Okay, and then I like trading on the 30-minute chart, guys. The 30-minute chart is my favorite time frame. Okay, you can use any time frame that you want as long as the rules are aligning. Okay, so now the second thing that you want to see, guys, is you want to confirm if the price is above or below this blue island. Okay, so if the price is above the blue island, we're only looking for buy trades. If the price is beneath the blue island, we're only looking for sell trades. Okay, so at this particular point in time, the price is beneath the island. Okay, so we are looking for sell trades. Okay, and then now the next confirmation is the arrow that's pointing down. Okay, so you guys can see there's an arrow pointing down, which means that we can actually open up our sales for this market, right? And then just like that, guys, we have our sell, and then our take profit. We can use the levels that the system gives us. So the first take profit can be here, the second take profit can be over there, and then our stop loss is going to be placed at the blue line right there. You guys can see that right there. Every single time we get a trade, our stop loss is placed at the blue line. Okay, so just like that, guys, our trading system is giving us a clear and easy trade to follow. Okay, so yeah, guys, if you want to know more about this trading indicator, just reach out to us on WhatsApp or send us an email, and then you can purchase this trading system for yourself. It currently works on Metatrader 5. Another thing to note, we also have this trading scanner, this one right here. It's also available for Metatrader 4 now. Okay, so if you want it for Metatrader 4, you can get it for Metatrader 4. And then just like that, guys, we have ourselves a trade.